Hey everyone, I'm Jessica, a certified doula and childbirth educator, and today we're talking about something super important for moms getting close to their due date: how to help your baby get into the best position for labor. You may be wondering what the deal is with all the different positions, or you may have a breech baby that you're trying to flip. We'll be diving into the Miles Circuit, a simple series of movements that can really make a difference when it comes to getting your baby in the best position for a smoother labor and delivery.
That's right. Baby positioning can impact how long and intense your labor is. So getting baby in the right position is key to avoiding a tough or prolonged labor.
Stick around because I'm going to walk you through how the Miles Circuit works step by step and explain why it's a must try for any mom preparing for labor. Plus, if you're planning for an unmedicated birth, we've got some great resources to help you out. More on that later. Okay, before we dive into the Miles Circuit, let's talk about why your baby's position matters so much for labor. Ideally, we want your baby in the anterior position, head down with their back facing your belly, this way or this way. This position usually leads to a smoother, less painful labor because the baby's head aligns well with the birth canal. Now, if your baby is in the posterior position, so head down, but facing your front, it can make labor longer and more difficult. Babies in this position aren't aligned as well, which means more back pain for you during labor.
And then there's breech. This is when baby's feet or bottom are down. Or there's also transverse, and this is where baby is lying sideways.
Exactly. These positions, especially breech and transverse, sometimes require interventions like a C-section because they aren't ideal for vaginal birth. That's why using the Miles Circuit to help baby move into the optimal position before labor starts is so helpful. So what exactly is the Miles Circuit? It's a series of 3 positions designed to help your baby move into the best possible position for labor. Each position works with gravity and your body's natural alignment to encourage your baby to shift into an optimal spot. The circuit has 3 main steps. First, we'll focus on releasing any tension in your pelvis. Then we'll help align baby's head with your birth canal. And finally, we'll encourage baby's descent and engagement, preparing them for birth.
It's simple but really effective, especially if you're nearing the end of your pregnancy and you want to help baby get into the right position.
Yes, and now that you know what the Miles Circuit is, let's talk about how it can benefit you. The Miles Circuit is incredibly helpful, especially as you get closer to labor. Each position in the circuit has a specific purpose that helps your baby get into the best position for birth. Let's break it down. First, we have the forward leaning inversion. This move is great because it helps your baby back out of the pelvis if they're in a less than ideal position. By allowing the baby to reset, it creates the space they need to rotate into a better position like head down or anterior. Next, the side lying release is all about relaxing and balancing your body. By lying on your side, you're releasing tense tissues in your pelvis and your hips, which helps create more space for baby to move. It brings balance to your body, encouraging baby to align with your birth canal.
And the upright positions like curb walking or using a step stool also help baby engage deeper.
Exactly. The movement from walking or swaying shifts your hips and opens up your pelvic inlet, helping baby get into that final position for birth. These simple movements done together as a part of the Miles Circuit can help make a big difference in getting baby into the best possible position for a smoother labor. Now, let's walk through the Miles Circuit step by step. It's best to do this when you're around 37 weeks pregnant or later. Always check with your provider first. First, we start with the forward leaning inversion. To do this, you'll kneel on the edge of a couch or a bed and lower your arms and your head to the floor, keeping your hips high. Hold this position for 30 seconds to a minute. This movement helps create space in the lower uterus and encourages baby to back up slightly, allowing them to rotate and settle into a better position. Next, we move into the exaggerated side lying position. You'll roll to your left side and extend your right leg out 90 degrees. Place a pillow under your right leg to keep it higher than your hip and to give your baby plenty of room to scoot around. You'll notice that I'm rolled over quite a bit, which is to make even more room in your pelvis for your baby to move. Rest in this position for 10 to 15 minutes before switching to your right side. This move helps balance the pelvic ligaments and muscles, making room for baby to rotate and align more effectively in the birth canal. Finally, we focus on engagement with curb walking or lunges. Go outside and walk near a curb on the street. You'll step with 1 foot on the curb and 1 foot on the street. Doesn't matter which direction or foot you begin with, but you'll want to switch sides after a while to ensure your body stays balanced. If you can't go outside, you can mimic this move by putting a foot up on a small stool and lunging, or by walking sideways up the stairs. be sure to switch sides. This movement encourages baby to descend into the pelvis by opening up the pelvic inlet and helping them engage in preparation for birth. So that's the Miles Circuit. It's such a simple but powerful way to help your baby get into the best position for labor, especially as you get closer to your due date. If you're looking to prepare for an unmedicated birth, position is just one part of the process. And that's why we created the Balanced Birth Class for Couples, where we dive into everything you and your partner need to know to feel confident and prepared for labor and delivery. In our class, we cover all of the natural labor coping techniques, plus how to work together as a team during birth.
It's really designed for both of you, so you're both fully equipped to navigate birth with confidence.
If you want to join us and learn more, head to the link in the description or visit balancefamilies.com. We'd love to support you on your journey to an empowered birth experience.